this is my little dress. And I will.
Allison, let me finish your hair.
And I went to my video corners.
Say hi.
Hi.
So pretty. Oh, there's my baby girl. You're so happy?
Yeah.
Okay, baby. That's
Hi,
good.
guys.
Oh, you got my baby.
Splash, here slash and slash and with slash slash. Run down the muddy puddles. Splash, 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 splash.
We're vlogging today. I have a few errands to run. Today's what, Wednesday, July 31st. Like, time is just flying by. I need to get things done. Alright guys, so like I was saying, I picked up these pair of classic mom fit jeans from Zara. Unfortunately, they didn't have size 38. I got that size 36. They didn't have any more, or I didn't really ask because we were in a rush. So I just got these thinking, you know, I would still fit, you know, not an issue, I was still fine. But little did I know, they couldn't even pass my hips. And mind you, my hips aren't even that big. Like, Okay, sit down, wear your shoes. so I just left the mall. Like I was saying earlier, I don't know if you guys caught that, because there are so many distractions in my house. The kids were distracting me and all of that. So I basically came to the mall to exchange one of the mom jean that I got, that I'm gonna show you guys in this video. Thank God I was able to find the last pair of jeans they had in there, so I just grabbed that. And I also got another pair of like pants. It's like the I think they call them like camel pants or something, but yeah, I think that's what they called. I'm not sure, but I will show you guys in the video somewhere. So it's been a pretty good day. It's 5. I know there's a lot of traffic, but I'm planning on working on my pantry because I was inspired by Raven Elise TV. Yeah, I think, yeah, her YouTube channel. She just got this new house. She's working on different areas of her house, and so she did the pantry, and I was like, man, I was so inspired. I mean, I've watched a lot of pantry videos and stuff like that, but I was really inspired. So now I'm getting ready to go to Home Goods. I'm gonna see what they have. I picked up a few things from Home Goods about maybe 2 weeks ago, and now I'm gonna get some more things. Hopefully I find something. My bun is on the way, but I love me some buns. Okay, let me turn on. So I went to Aldo and I was just browsing around, and I saw these pair of glasses. Yo, these type of glasses are really in. They're really trendy right now. But I didn't buy them because they're trendy. I bought them because they looked so good on me. Like they looked really good on me. So I feel like they are so perfect. They are so perfect for my head shape, my head size, my face. They just fit perfectly fine. But I love these. So much. I'm so excited. But I got these from Aldo. And so yeah, they were $16 with tax and everything. Came out to be like $17. Hopefully I don't break them, or the kids don't break them, but that's what I got. Yo, my bun is really on the way, but I'm really not trying to put it down either. Like I'm really not trying to take. Okay, so I got these pair of like camo pants. I think they call camo pants or something, but yeah, I tried these on, but I unfortunately didn't film it. I love Zara's, perfume, or eau de toilette. This is an eau de toilette. This is the Oriental. This is the Oriental or Oriental. I don't know, but it's like a day collection. I just love Zara's perfume. Like some of their perfumes, they smell really good. So yeah, I'm gonna spray some. Let's buckle up and let's go. Hold on. Gonna go to the container store. So I'm headed to This is my first time ever here at the container store. I've never been here before. So let's see. This is actually on sale. I got something similar like this at the Home Goods, and I didn't get this color. Actually, I wanted another color. I got like a grayish color, so I'm gonna go to Home Goods and see if I can find something, some more, because I'm gonna need some more, definitely. I really need like trays like this. I really want these. So you basically get 3 labels for $7.49, which isn't bad. I mean, 6 for $14. It's not bad at all. This is actually really cool. I feel like if you want to get all these things, it's best to have like your own house, not in an apartment, because these things have to get installed, and when you're leaving the apartment you have to, you know, take it off all by yourself, or you know, you're gonna have to like take it off and stuff. So I don't really want to damage the apartment because we're obviously not gonna be there forever. I like the black one better. This actually makes sense, you know. Is this one bigger? Are they the same size? So they have these, and then there's a small one as well. Alright, let's see what HomeGoods has. Ooh. Yes. This could be really nice for storage though. Alright guys, so I'm over here at Target and I see these jars here. The only issue I have with like glass jars is the fact that, you know, I'm scared that my kids would actually break them. That's one of my worries. But then I'm thinking if I get glass jars, I can just put them higher up where they can't reach, so you know they won't, obviously they won't break them. But there's a set here. I want a real plane so bad, but I just know I can't handle it. It won't survive at all. But I love this cactus full plant. It's $24.99. I really love it, but I don't know where will I even put it. I really like it, but I don't know where I could possibly put it in my house. I love this. How cute is this?